Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload, which will be on Mondays. Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me sort of decluttering video. As you know, I am moving to Burwood in Melbourne for university and I gotta prepare to start moving. At this point in time I've got just about a month before move-in date, so it's best to make a start now. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning my room, basically. Look at this. We got to sort through all of this. And there's a lot of clutter everywhere, and my desk is quite messy as well. If you might remember, I've done a clean with me on my room before. Those are like really old videos now, and my room's better than it was, but it has definitely gotten way more messy than I would like to. So I'm just going to basically go through all of this mess, throw out some stuff, organise what I might potentially take, as I still don't really know what I'm taking. I'm waiting for the university accommodation people to send me the information email, but I figure I can at least make a start and get rid of some clutter, because rubbish and stuff I'm obviously not going to take with me during the move, and we do have quite a bit to get through, so let's get started. I think the first thing I can do is put some of my dirty laundry away. This stuff can just go straight in the washing basket. I was just too lazy to do that yesterday. This is just like my summer long sleeve when I'm going out and about in the summertime and it's too cold to just go outside in a t-shirt, but it's not cold enough for like a jacket, so I'll just wear a long sleeve button up like this over the top of my t-shirt, and this is a great compromise. I will definitely keep this, it's just on the floor, but it can just go back in my wardrobe for now. In here is a bag of a bunch of snacks that I have acquired over the past year that I haven't eaten because I like to eat them sparingly. And there's a lot in here. I want to take this with me so I just have some snacks to have on hand, but I'm just moving this out of the way for now. Ever since I filmed my what I got for Christmas video, I've still got all my Christmas presents on the ground. I haven't touched them since that video, although I have been snacking on the gingerbread and Christmas tree. But I can just put this in my snack bag and go through this later. And this money and gift cards, they can just go gift card section of our house. This can go in our library. These wig caps can just go in my wig collection. This can go somewhere. And this can go in like one of my skincare drawers and whatnot. And then this squishy toy, definitely keep that as I commence uni. It will definitely be handy when I need to start studying and I'm under a lot of stress. So we'll sort those out. Got my headphones, which this thing broke off, so I've super glued it back on, and this came off and I don't know how to put it back on there. I tried taping it back on, but it just came off. I can't be bothered to fix it, but might listen to some music while I'm doing this to help me get in a cleaning mode. So during exam week, I had to have a clear plastic bag, as this is all I was allowed to take into the exam room. And I never unpacked it or anything after the exam, I just couldn't be bothered. But I don't really need it for now, so these can all just go back in the pencil case. I also haven't unpacked my school bag since then. I've still got all the study books I had in there that I don't really need anymore. And we'll sort this out once I know what study materials and stuff I actually need. I'll probably reuse this bag when I start uni, but this can just go up here for now. And the plastic bag can go with all our other plastic bags. Alright, so here's the charger for the camera I used to use before it died on me when we were on our New South Wales trip last year. This doesn't really help, so this can just go back in our charger collection. I went through the bag where I had some of my gift cards that I tried to use while out shopping. I thought I'd used all of them, but no, some of them I haven't used, and some I've got like a couple bucks left on them, but every penny helps, as they say. And then found some old school stuff, and I've got this spare binder folder folder thing. This is for my food and nutrition class, but I never used it. And I probably should have, because my folder was like chock full to the brim, but we bothered. And so I'm thinking for some of my old school stuff that I want to keep, I could put it in here. And then I've also got some spare folders for English Studio that I didn't use. I think we were allocated 4, but only used 1. Again, it's chock full, but only used 1. So these are just spare folders. And yeah, that's what I'm thinking. This stuff over here, like my old toys and games, we can sort that out as we do a further declutter. I just want to get rid of some of the mess of my room, because here's the next section. This part's pretty messy, so I need to go through that. And to my desk, obviously I'm not going to keep everything on there, but we'll just sort through and clean out here and see what we've got. When I filmed that empties video, I still have all my empty products here. I just never did anything with them. I tried putting them in this bag, but as you can see, that is not going to work. So I might need a bigger bag. Let's see if we've got one. This Woolworths bag might work. There's a hole in the back, but all I need is to just hold the products. Just all fits. This is products from like 5-6 years ago. I used quite a bit, didn't I? Oh, it's face mask. So that drawers was cleared out, and then this is what I've got left in my skincare collection. It's not much, but I'm going through it because these are all unopened, I think. And then this is my makeup drawer, and I'm not going to keep all this. I already know it, but I'll go through that later. But don't know what to do with all this. We'll sort through it at some stage, but it's off the floor now at least. There's a whole bunch of papers that I don't need, so you can definitely recycle all that. And yeah, let's just see what we've got here. Here's a hat from the university that I'm going to, as when I was on that school trip to Melbourne last year, we went to a Futures Expo and Deakin University was there, so I checked out their stall and they gave me this hat. So use this for memory keeping. This is my first taste of the university. It's not my favourite type of hat, but you know, it's the first instance of it. And then I also got a couple of course books from the other universities I was considering. They're around here somewhere. I know I've got more. The old camera. Yeah, so I don't know what to do with these because I'm not going to these universities. We've got my desk, which, as you remember, I did clear off in a video many years ago in that like desk makeover, but alas, it has gotten messy again. It's not as bad as it was before, but it does still need to be cleared off. So I've got all these Doctor Who magazines, which I had bought consistently for a few years before like I decided I didn't want to be spending my money on it, as I realised I needed to save money. I do want to keep them, but will there be room to keep all of them? I don't know, but at least some when I was like in my prime of it. But my desk is not the place for them, so they can go in here. So I've cleared out a good range of stuff from my desk. Mainly the stuff here I don't really know what to do with, because a lot of it's like my old scripts and stuff, but I don't know how much of that I'll be able to take on the move, so I can honestly could just keep them here. Actually, I need this letter, so that's why I put things in this little binder thing, because it's stuff I actually need. I think we can also make use of this as well. This could be where my old scripts go, actually. Good thinking, me. And then there's a couple of other stuff here that I'm not sure about. An info book for like the course area I want to do, that is kind of important, which I got at the Futures Expo. My old L plates when I was learning to drive, which I kind of want to keep as a souvenir. Audition information for a booklet for the musical I was in earlier this year. See, that's the sort of stuff that can go in here. So we'll put my, this was a script, but all the staples have come undone, but sort through that later. That can just go in this little thing here. Got another script. No, don't rip it. Part of a script. audition info, a script. Oh, I think I worked out. I don't need it. Script, sheet protectors that can go to school stuff. Script, acting stuff. Script. Yes, I do need details of my super. Script, program, part of the script. And then an old card. I don't know about like cards and stuff. It doesn't hurt to have some old cards on hand. I'll definitely keep this one, but yes, I need this. See, look at how much I cleared out already from that. And that's all my acting stuff and stuff that we can sort out later. Now we've got this section here. I'm only going to do the top section. I'm not going to sort out what's in these. A lot of my old stuff that we'll go through later, but I just want to clear off the top of this. So I need a better place for this travel neck pillow. I don't know where to put it. My wardrobe might do for now. But just go through what's on here, clear this off, and then it'll be much easier to navigate around. I might find some old stuff in here. So I've made pretty good progress so far. This is all like my old school stuff, which I'll sort through later. That stuff I'm probably gonna keep, and cards, and then there's stuff there, including like gifts and stuff that I'll keep, and some of my planners and bullet journals I'll keep. And now onto this section of my room. Floor's pretty messy, it just needs a clean out, and then there's some other old stuff over there. I'll see what I can get done with this part, but let's just tidy it up. You know how I was talking about how I couldn't find my scientific calculator in that exam preparation video? I found it. I knew I would. It was under this mat. So simple. Should have just looked harder. And there we have it. I am done cleaning for today. That's as much as I'm willing to do, but still made good progress. The floor's pretty clear, and the desk, obviously that is not perfect, but today was just doing like the base of the decluttering. Like, this is the stuff that I don't want to get rid of, but will also decide if I'm going to take it with me during the move, because again, I don't know what I need to bring yet and how much capacity I'll have. So I'll work on that closer to the move-in date and decide stuff I definitely want to take and stuff I can leave behind or repurpose or give away or whatever. I don't know. We'll worry about that later. But the floor's all clear. I haven't vacuumed, but again, I think we'll do that once we've finished like all the decluttering and stuff, and it can just be like a fresh new room pretty much. So there's just gifts that I want to take with me that I really like, and then we'll sort out all my bags and stuff. And this is my old school bag, and it's still got some old school stuff in it. And then the bags over here, we'll need to sort out what I'm taking there, and we'll worry about bedding and stuff once I know what the bedding situation is like there, because I've been given very vague information, so don't know a whole lot yet. But yeah, basically that is it for this clean declutter with me of my room. It's nice to have a walkable floor. I mean, it wasn't as bad as last time I had to do a big clean out of my room, so I've become a lot more better at being a tidier person, but you know, still got some work to do, but that's life. And so this is another step in my moving journey and my series of moving videos that I'll be doing on this channel. I've got some other types coming up. It'll be like more decluttering and what I'll do in terms of preparing to move. But again, once I get more information from the student accommodation people, I'll be able to make those videos and have more information to share with all of you. It's all very exciting, but at the same time, it's reality that, you know, got to declutter a bunch of stuff and got to prepare to move out. So that's what's happening, but I hope you all enjoyed, and comment down below if there's anything in particular relating to my move that you want me to do as like a video idea or something, then I'll try and make that happen for you. But thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed and subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any new videos. So, till next time, in my next video, I shall see you then.